Good morning, little champs. I'm here again with the video number 14 and the very first video of the second chapter of history, that is Early Humans 1. Okay, so we are going to study today this chapter, and before starting this chapter, let us see the very beautiful thought over here. Everything is easy if you are crazy. Okay, if you want to achieve anything, if you need something, you need to be crazy for that. Okay, and nothing will be easy if you are lazy. You want to achieve a lot of things, but at same time you are sitting idle doing nothing for it, then everything will not be easy for you to achieve. Okay, nothing will be easy if you are lazy. So think over this thought. Meanwhile, we'll be moving on to the chapter Early Humans 1, chapter 2 of history. In this module, we'll be studying the three topics. Okay, today we are going to study the three topics only. And what are those three topics? The first one is this one about the Stone Age. Okay, the second one is this one, sites, small definition of sites, and through map we'll be reading the major sites of early humans in India. Okay, and the other topics which is here. Okay, these topics will be discussed in the next class. Okay, we'll be discussing these topics in the next class. Okay, so let us start the topic. Humans have evolved through millions of years that mark their existence on earth. Actually, we do not exact know the actual place or the exact place of the origin of mankind. However, archaeologists have found some evidences, or historians have found some evidences which indicates that human species may have developed in Africa because they considered that area having the favorable climatic conditions, okay, for the evolution of human life. And then they believe that these human species may have wandered to Asia, Europe, and America. Okay, and our information about the life of early man is based on the remains of objects, fossils, and tools that have been excavated from different parts of the world by the archaeologists. Okay, so the early humans were always on move. Okay, they did not stay at a place for a longer period of time, and if they are staying at that place, this means that they are having enough resources which are helping them survive over that area. See why they were always on move. Okay, in the early stage, that is during the first stage, okay, the first phase, the early men were hunter gatherers and nomads. Okay, they kept on moving from one place to another in search of food, water, shelter. They hunted wild animals and also gathered fruits, roots, nuts, and seeds. Okay, they moved to another area when the resources of plants and animals' food got exhausted. Okay, so these were the reasons why they were always on move. And now moving on to the next slide, which says that early humans lived a very primitive life. Okay, primitive means very basic in terms of comfort or efficiency. They're having a very primitive life. How? Because they did not wear anything during summers. Okay, and during the winter season, they used animal skins, the bark of trees, and leaves to keep themselves warm. Okay, and they usually spend their nights on trees, in caves, or other rock shelters. Okay, So they did not wear anything during summers. They did not during the winter. They used animal skins, the bark of trees and leaves to keep themselves warm. Okay, as you can see the picture next to the in the slide, it's showing that early humans lived in caves and in rock shelters. Okay, and nights were generally spent up in trees or in caves and rock shelters. Okay, moving on to, as I've already said, that the information about the life of early man is based on the remains of objects, fossils, and tools that have been excavated from different parts of the world by the archaeologists. Okay, and most of the tools that the archaeologists have found are made up of stone. Okay, and the period when stone tools were used is known as the Stone Age. Okay, let me repeat it. The period when the stone tools were used is known as the Stone Age. Okay, and this age is divided into three phases. Okay, and this age is divided into three phases. The first phase is the Paleolithic Age. What is the first phase? The first phase is the Paleolithic Age. Okay, here you can see that paleo. Okay, paleo means old. Paleo means old and lithic means stone. That is why Paleolithic Age is also known as Old Stone Age. We can see here the second phase was Mesolithic Age. Okay, the second phase was Mesolithic Age. Meso means middle and lithic means stone, and that is why this age was known as Mesolithic Age. And the third phase was Neolithic Age. Okay, Neo means new and lithic means stone. That is why this age was called New Stone Age as well. Okay, moving on to the next slide, where we'll be having we'll be putting other points also from these for knowing these ages. Okay, let us move on to the other slide. Okay, as you can see from here, as we have already discussed, the other names of these ages: Paleolithic Age, also known as Old Stone Age; Mesolithic Age, also known as Middle Stone Age; Neolithic Age, also known as New Stone Age. As I have already, we have already discussed that we do not know exact when the origin of mankind happened. Okay, but it is. Uh, but the first phase have been guessed as it lasted till 10,000 BCE. Okay, the Paleolithic Age, we don't know when this age started, but it lasted till 10,000 BCE. When we'll search Google, we'll type other periods also. Okay, on other sites, you'll be finding that there are other presumptions also regarding the period. You'll see that maybe Paleolithic age they have written up to 12,000 BC or something. But as you know that we have to go through this book that is Integrated Social Science, which is by Ratna Sagar. So that is why we'll be following this book. And in this book, it's written that Paleolithic age lasted till 10,000 BCE. Okay, and the Mesolithic age started from 10,000 BCE and lasted 8,000 BCE. Okay, as well as the Neolithic age, it started from 8,000 BCE and lasted till 4,000 BCE. Okay, are there further divisions are in these particular phases? Yes, in the very first age, that is the Paleolithic age, in the very first phase, the Paleolithic age has been further divided into three phases, that is early Paleolithic means lower Paleolithic, middle Paleolithic and upper Paleolithic. But no further divisions were done during the Mesolithic phase and the Neolithic phase. Okay, when we talk about the tools, okay, that what type of tools were the early humans using during the Paleolithic age, you will see that the stone tools which they were using were crude and unpolished. Okay, because and they used these stones for hunting animals, chopping meat, cutting wood, and digging. Okay, moving on to the tools used by Mesolithic men. You can see that they used microliths. Okay, microliths were stones which were smaller and more sharper in size if we compare them from the Paleolithic and the stone tools of Paleolithic age. Okay, they were quite more efficient than the tools of the Paleolithic age. Okay, apart from stone tools, the men also used animal bones and horns as well. Okay, and they learned how to fix these small stones to sticks and use them to hunt animals. Okay, moving on to the Neolithic age. From Neolithic age you can quite because that was new stone age, this meant that the tools found in or during this phase was having further improvement as well, isn't it? So the tools were further improved on the earlier variety of tools. Okay, and these tools were much sharper than the ones in Mesolithic age. Okay, and the early men, they started polishing and grinding his tools, okay, and weapons. And his weapons included uh, stone axe, knives, spears, harpoons, wooden bows, sickles, okay, stone tipped arrows, and many more. Okay, moving on to the sites. Okay, there are certain sites where we have found the evidences of these three phases, that is the Paleolithic age, the Mesolithic age, and the Neolithic age. Okay, and as you can see, the Paleolithic age was the sites which give us the evidence of Paleolithic age are Hangsai, Karnataka, okay, भीमबेटका मध्य प्रदेश, okay, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, and Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh, Attirampakkam, Tamil Nadu. Okay, whereas the sites having giving us the evidences of Mesolithic age are Adamgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Bagor, Rajasthan. Okay, and the sites where we can the major sites of early humans during the Neolithic age in India are Burzaham and Gufakral in Jammu Kashmir, Chirand, Bihar, Daujali Heading, Assam, Piklihal, Karnataka. Piklihal, okay, Piklihal. It's Piklihal, Karnataka, Maski, Karnataka. Okay, moving on to, let us see the types of stone tools we have already discussed. Let us see how they look like. As you can see from these pictures show you the tools which were used during these period, these phases. Okay, the above picture shows you the Paleolithic age stone tools. As we have already discussed that the tools used in during the Paleolithic age were quite crude and unpolished. Okay, and they were used for chopping animals and hunting animals. They used these types of stones only. During the Mesolithic age, we have discussed that during this period, this the early men started using microliths. Okay, and these microliths were smaller, sharper, okay, and more efficient than the tools of the Paleolithic age. Other than that, they also started using animal bones and horns. Okay, when it comes to Neolithic age, the new stone age tools were the further improvement on the earlier variety of tools. Okay, these tools were much sharper and than ones used in the Mesolithic period, and they were quite polished also. Okay, as you can see here, hammerheads, half mid arrowhead, knife, sculpture, scraping tool, cutting tool. Okay, the other tools are there in this particular image. Okay, and below you can see the potteries. Okay, the pottery which were used by the early men during the Neolithic age. Okay, moving on to, as we have discussed, a word that is site. Actually, what is the meaning of this word site? Let us see. So, sites are the places from where the evidences of hunter gatherers have been discovered, okay, with the help of some tools. Some unfinished or finished are called sites. Okay, like we have seen, we have discussed the examples, isn't it? Like the Paleolithic age, the sites giving us the evidence of Paleolithic age were Hansai, Karnataka, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, okay, Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. Like these are these places from where we got the evidences of the early men have been discovered, okay, are known as sites. Moving on to, let us move to a map, okay, which is given in the book, as you can see, which is showing us the sites of the Paleolithic site, okay, evidences of Paleolithic site and the places from, actually these are the places, these are the major sites of early humans in India. Okay, these are the major sites of early humans in India. Okay, do try to pause this video for a few seconds and try to memorize the places in India, okay, which were the major sites to of these of the early humans in India. Okay, so with this one I am wrapping up the video. Let us discuss the question answers or exercise questions which is there in the book and related to the topic. Okay, choose the correct answer. Here we you have to choose the correct answer. In early stages, humans were dash and nomads. Okay, the four options are given. So what will be the answer? In early stages, humans were nomads and hunter gatherers. Okay, so the correct answer here is the hunter gatherer. Okay, the second one, stone tools of dash stone age are called microliths. Okay, microliths, we have already discussed that these were the smaller, sharper and more efficient tools if we compare them to the Paleolithic tools. So it was used during the Mesolithic age, and Mesolithic, as we know that Mesolithic age is also known as Middle Stone Age. Okay, so the answer will be middle. Okay, the answer will be middle. Moving on to, answer will be middle. Okay, moving on to the another questions, okay, from the book. So as you can see here, I have written here the short answer type questions as well related to the topic only. Okay, we'll be discussing the questions only related to the topic which we are which will uh, finish, okay, in the video. So why were early humans always on move? It is quite written in 3 points. Okay, do write them down. Okay, and these uh, questions have already been given in the notes, so do not get confused that whether you have to copy it down from the video or from the notes. You have to it is quite obvious that you have to copy down these things from notes. Okay, I have already provided these things in the notes. Okay, so do not ask these silly questions to your class teachers that from where we have to copy the notes down. Okay, I have already provided you the notes and it has been uploaded to the site, that is your MGM site. So do go there and download the PDF file and write down the notes as well as question answers from that particular PDF. Okay. The second question, water sites, we have already discussed. You have to give two examples of Mesolithic and Neolithic. You can give other examples also. Take help from the map. Okay. Moving on to one last question. It is the HOTS question. Okay. So two figures are given, picture A and picture B, and you have to find out that which of the two do you think is a stone tool. Okay. As you can see in picture A, it is not looking like a tool. Okay. In picture B, it is quite clear that it is a tool, isn't it? Because it has sharp edges, isn't it? It is having a sharp edge that could be used for various purposes like chopping wood, butchering animals, etc. Okay. So with these questions, and we come to an end to this particular video. Okay, go through the video and do go through the video sincerely. Okay, do not skip the videos. Okay, do see them systematically so that you will be able to answer each and every single question yourself. Okay, that is why I have discussed the thought today that everything is easy if you are crazy. So try to be crazy. Okay, try to find out questions whichever is arising in whatever is arising in your mind. Okay, don't be lazy that let the school reopen then I'll ask to the teacher. You are having elders at home also, you are having internet also, do search for those questions, answer for those questions. Okay, so have a good day with this video. I call it a day. Goodbye and have a nice day.